Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. So firstly we should check software version if you have the last one. Open the application, and now scroll down and go to device settings. Then go to the system and scroll down again. And right here we have update software, so just click on the settings icon and click on update status. I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also what can help you with this problem, so is to perform a hard reset. Put it to the charging case. And now, right here we have, at the back side, we have connection button. Press and hold until this LED light starts flashing orange. Here we go. Now release your finger and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Firstly, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon. If you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now the earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And we did it. Now, maybe it fixed your problem. The last option what I can recommend it to you is to fully charge your earbuds and check. It can also fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.